Nearly learnt this second trick, the helix. Well, not really. Yeah, I can't seem to get my feet up today. I don't know if it's maybe because I'm tired from yesterday or what it is, but yeah, can't do that and it's a bit annoying. Okay, I haven't watched that one yet, but it felt like it was maybe better than yesterday's one. I don't know, hopefully. So my 5-ball pinball is definitely getting a lot better. I haven't got the 10 catches yet, but today was the best session so far on that. And I think hopefully I'll hit 10 catches quite soon. Now, hopefully I have enough control over my handstand to do it in this corner. So yeah, I think that's all the training that I'm going to do today. I'm going to work a little bit now on my book, which is another one of my goals, to release this. And yeah, I'm not really sure if I should count that butterfly knife trick because I didn't really do it that well. I mean, I'm probably going to count it anyway, but I still definitely need to improve that.